Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you make a selection and then move or copy it, you often come away with what is referred to as fringe. Fringe is the collection of background pixels that surround your selection. When you use the defringe command, the color of these extraneous pixels is changed to the color of neighboring pixels that aren't part of the background color. To use this command, select Enhance, Adjust Color, Defringe Layer from the menu bar. Then enter a value for the number of pixels that need to be converted. Start with a small number like 1 or 2 and check your results. When you are done, click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.